Just wandering around the bungalow. I'm walking for a change. It's not too far to walk. Sun's shining. Shorts and flip-flops on. I thought I'd give myself a bit of exercise. George is on site doing a little bit at the moment, a bit of decorating, so I'll pop round in a minute, give you the latest updates. And it's gone on really, really well now, so I'm out of breath, all bloody ready. I need to do this more often. Right, let's have a little look. So here we are back at the bungalow. I'll just turn the camera and show you what we've got so far. Let's wander down the side first. So what George has been busy doing the other day, he's been putting these blocks of wood up. If I climb up the ladder, put these blocks of wood up on every rafter. We ping the line through and then put this OSB on OSB 3, grade 3 stuff. It's like water resistant stuff. And the idea is then when the roof puts the roof on, it doesn't damage your fascia or soffit. It doesn't damage the fascia, so it rests on the tiles, rest on that. And then it's cheaper also because you put the overcladding thinner fascia on top. Anyway, so it's done that already. He's pinged his bolt, put his timbers in line, put his on the rafters in line, nice and square. Cut the rafters back, so they've pinged the line there. OSB's gone on, and then we've had the roof done. Surprise, surprise. And let me climb down. So we've got the roof tiled. Now let me go inside and show you. So, roof's on. There you go, the roof's on. I think you'll agree it looks really, really good. 2 Keylite windows in the roof. There. Now if I go back in here, I'll show you as you walk in. Right, so this is the entrance now into the lounge kitchen. This is how it looks now. And so the timber's been taken away now. There's the roof. And the vaulted ceiling is going to stay like that, insulated in the vaulted ceiling. And then we have the bifolds fitted, which I'll show you in a minute. So let's just go around a minute again. So George already had the door on site, the front door on site, the side door on site. So the guy fitted the bifolds when they turned up. I think he had a couple of hours in the morning, which is so he fitted the front door. So there's the door now, all fitted. Lovely door, done a brilliant job. And when he did that, perfect time actually, because you finished that sort of in a couple of hours. At about 11 o'clock, you finished that by 11. By 11 the bifolds turned up, and I'm just going to show you the bifolds. These are awesome, awesome bifolds. And the bifolds got these built-in blinds. These blinds are built into the window. Open fully, so there's a magnet up the top there. The magnet there, and a magnet there which keeps this door open. I'll just shut this up, George. And I think you'll agree, they look brilliant. So there now is the back of the bungalow, looking really, really good. And they open right up. I won't do it now because George is busy. Let me just pop in and show you when I get a chance. So that's the kitchen in here with an island. They look really, really good. Got a few tiles to put in here and some bits and pieces to do yet. Insulation to go in, walls got to be dotted down and plastered. Closures on those there. These doors open right up. I won't do it now because George is busy, but I'll tell you what I love about these doors is the built-in blind. So you can open this by pulling this catch down. That's like a magnetic thing in there. It brings them right up. Really, really cool. I think in the future the garage is going a bit closer to the back now, but that's the whole of the back now. Looking really, really good. I'll just show you another little trick on these doors. We close this up, bring the catch up, slide that up. There you go, slide it up. At any moment, at any point, you can just do it slowly, stop like that, and then you can just move it slowly. It undoes the blind and closes it, tips up and down. It's built in the glass, so it's in the middle of the pane, 2 panes of glass. Lovely job. Close that down. And it just runs on a little, just move it up and down slowly. Opens like that and closes. Every single pane opens right up to the last one there. You got under the catch there, under this here. Pulls right open. Looking really, really good. Next job, ceiling boards got to come down, finish the bathroom off, ceiling boards down, new ceiling boards, loft insulation, insulation the roof. Get some more ties in here, insulate the roof, clean it all up and tidy up. That's it now, people. I hope you enjoyed that little video. Just want to give you an update. I better go, George is busy. I'm not sure what's happening next. I think it'll be the ceiling boards, bathroom and insulation. Plastering, dot and dab, and then we're going to start getting this kitchen fit, I think. And one other thing to mention, by the way, yeah, so what we've done as well, when the guy was out, was the floor level there should, once it's screeded, it's going to come right across, and it should, hopefully, within a couple of mil, be level with that seal there. So, looking really good. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe for more. Thank you. Ta-ra, bye-bye.